Welcome back, my dear friends and viewers. Today I give you the link of source code and just review of our application. Like see here, this is the contact menu.prg. Okay, contact menu.prg, and you just execute. This is all we developed. All this data contact management. Okay, so why it is not running? Because 1 minute, first I have to be make the default, set default to that folder. Okay, now run it. Now see this data contact, these are all we had developed. Now one thing I had forget, this change of Microsoft Visual FoxPro. Okay, so how to do that? For that we have to do some command here. Modify contact menu, and just write down here uh, Screen.Caption, and just write down uh, Manoj Kalla contact management. Okay, now see this Manoj Kalla contact management that we had there. Okay, so this is my link and URL. I will give you in my video description. Okay, just go and download and run it and enjoy the code. Thank you, thank you, thank you.